the birth vaccines, তাই তো BCG, OPV, hepatitis B. Okay, তো এই যে ভ্যাকসিনস গুলো পরপর দেওয়া হয়, the vaccines that are given one after another to children under 5 years, there's a whole schedule under it called the National Immunization Schedule, NIS. ঠিক আছে, the National Immunization Schedule. এটা কোন প্রোগ্রামের আন্ডারে পড়ে? What is the program? Universal Immunization Program, UIP. The program's name under National Health Mission. Okay, National Health Mission is basically the overall health programs umbrella term that is used for a multitude of health programs. So the program related to immunization is called Universal Immunization Program, UIP. Tar under আছে the schedule which is followed for the children under 5 years and also for pregnant women, that is the National Immunization Schedule, NIS. ঠিক আছে, মনে থাকবে? Okay, now there are many vaccines that are given under NIS. Okay, it is a very long term, but today we will deal with 2 or 3 of them. One is pentavalent, one is measles rubella vaccine, and the other that is not a vaccine but a supplement that is given under NIS, that is vitamin A. Okay, so what is the difference? তোমরা বলো, what is the difference between a pentavalent vaccine and a measles rubella vaccine? প্রথম ডিফারেন্স কি মাথায় আসছে? একটা পেন্টাভ্যালেন্ট ভ্যাকসিন আর একটা মিজলস রুবেলা ভ্যাকসিনের মধ্যে কি ডিফারেন্স? পেন্টাভ্যালেন্ট, বাইভ্যালেন্ট মানে পেন্টাভ্যালেন্ট দুটো কি, কে বললো এটা? পেন্টাভ্যালেন্ট, there are 5 vaccines together. একসাথে যখন মাল্টিপল ভ্যাকসিনস একটা কম্পাউন্ডের মধ্যে ক্রিয়েট করা হয়, হোয়াট ইজ দ্যাট ভ্যাকসিন কল্ড? ভ্যালেন্ট আলাদা বাবা, ভ্যালেন্ট ইজ সামথিং লাইক পোলিও ভ্যাকসিনের 3টে ভ্যালেন্স আছে, ট্রাইভ্যালেন্ট, বাইভ্যালেন্ট, 3টে স্ট্রেন, বাট ইউ আর পুটিং 5 টাইপস অফ ডিফারেন্ট ভ্যাকসিনস টুগেদার. So what is that type of vaccine called, where more than one vaccine, different vaccines are made together? Conjugate vaccine. So conjugate vaccine. So these both vaccines are conjugate vaccines. As you see, there is a pentavalent made of 5 vaccines, measles rubella made of 2 vaccines. Both are conjugate vaccines. So what is the difference? 5 আর 2 ঠিক আছে, and others আর কি difference আছে? Live vaccine. Which is a live vaccine? Measles rubella is a live vaccine and pentavalent is a killed vaccine. Okay, this is the main difference. The measles rubella is a live vaccine and pentavalent is a killed vaccine. ঠিক আছে, now pentavalent killed vaccine and measles rubella live vaccine, why and how then these 2 types of vaccines are maintained differently? কোথায় মেনটেন করা হয় ভ্যাকসিনস? কোল্ড চেনে মেনটেন করা হয়. সো ইন দ্য কোল্ড চেন, using certain equipments, all these vaccines are kept at certain temperatures. Okay, and the continuity of that temperature is maintained from the level of the manufacturer to the level of the administration, that is যেখানে ভ্যাকসিনেশন হচ্ছে, ওই পুরো চেনটাকে আনব্রোকেন মেনটেন করতে হয়, সেই চেনটাকে বলে হচ্ছে কোল্ড চেন. Okay, now দেখো pentavalent, you have learned about BCG, hepatitis B, OPV. After that birth doses comes the vaccines given at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks. Okay, after birth the vaccines the children receive are at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks. So this 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks se ki vaccine dewa hoy? There are multiple vaccines given. Number 1 is OPV, OPV 1 dose, OPV 2 dose, OPV 3 dose. ঠিক আছে, those are given at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks. Then at another vaccine that is given is the pentavalent vaccine. So pentavalent vaccine e ki ache? Diphtheria vaccine, pertussis vaccine, tetanus vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine and Haemophilus influenzae type B, HIB, Haemophilus influenzae type B. it can be given the maximum age, it can be given যদি কোনো কারণে বাচ্চা ডিলে হয়েছে কি ভ্যাকসিন অ্যাভেলেবল নয়, then the vaccine can be given till maximum age of 1 year. Okay, till the maximum age of 1 year it can be given. What is the dose? 0.5 ml. The dose is 0.5 ml. How is it given? It is given intramuscularly. Okay, whenever there is a killed vaccine, it is usually given intramuscularly. Usually the killed vaccine is usually delivered intramuscularly. So this pentavalent is also given intramuscular, where left anteromedial side of the left thigh, তাই তো left side এ the I don't think medial anterolateral side of the left thigh. So কেন thigh? Because at that time তোমার deltoid muscles are not that developed, অত মাস নেই, তো অত ছোট বাচ্চাদের দেওয়া যায় না, তখন তাদের পায়ে দেওয়া হয়। Okay, so this is the anterolateral side of the mid thigh on the left side. So this is when the pentavalent vaccine is given. Okay, so pentavalent vaccine, it will look like something like this. Okay, পরে দেব সব ভ্যাকসিন দেখে নেবে আলাদা করে। This pentavalent vaccine looks like this. এখানে লেখা থাকবে সমস্ত components গুলো। Okay, number 1. Number 2, it is a clear vial. As you can see, it is a clear vial, right? No color, right? ওপরে দেখতে পাচ্ছ একটা ওপেনিং আছে, ওপরে একটা ওপেনিং আছে, there was a seal there. Okay, it has been opened when the vaccine was administered. There is a rubber seal. There is a rubber seal. Why there is a rubber seal in these vials? So that water cannot go in, or after a needle is introduced, it auto seals, so that there is no contamination inside. এখানে মাথার ওখানে ডেট লেখা আছে, ওপেনিং লেখা আছে, ডেট টাইম এখানে লেখা থাকে। whenever that vial is opened, the date time is noted in the cap region. Okay, okay, what other things are there? There is a, do you know what this is? There is a circle here and a square inside. This is a vaccine vial monitor. Very good. VVM or vaccine vial monitor. Now why vaccine vial monitor is there on the side of vaccines vial, especially this vaccine? Vaccine vial monitor is basically just not a normal label. It looks like a label, right? But it is not a normal label. What is there? There is a component or a chemical in that vaccine vial, which if you introduce more heat on it, যদি ওটা গরম বা তাপ পায়, then what happens is it changes color. It changes its chemical composition, it changes color. Okay, so it gets dark. The more heat it receives, the more darker it gets. So from the outside circle, usually what happens is the outside circle is a certain color, the inner square is having that chemical. Now the more heat exposure it is getting, the square is getting darker with time. Now when the square's color becomes equal to the color of the circle outside, then that means the vial has been exposed to too much heat, so the vaccine has been heat damaged. So it can no longer be used. And if it gets darker than the outside circle, then again it cannot be used. Okay, as long as the inner circle's color is lighter than the inner square's color is lighter than the outer circle, then that means the vaccine can be used. It is not heat damaged yet. Also, apart from that, you have to look at the expiry date of the vaccine. So many factors are there before using a vaccine, before you can confirm. Otherwise, an adverse event can occur in the child if you give a expired vaccine. So this is a component. Now here it is written 5 ml, total 5 ml is there, and for each child you are giving 0.5 ml, so there are 10 doses in each vial. Okay, you can take by the needle and inject it intramuscularly in the thigh. Now this is coming in the liquid form. This vaccine is already coming in the liquid form, so you do not need to introduce a diluent, কোনো আর কিছু মেশাতে হচ্ছে না to make it into a liquid or make it into a form that is administrable to the child. Okay, so this is a pentavalent vaccine, okay, with a VVM and a rubber seal on the top. Now next thing about pentavalent is What are the adverse reaction that can happen that we have to keep in mind while giving it to a child? Bolo, what are some adverse events that can happen? কি হতে পারে একটা পায়ে দিলে ইন্ট্রামাসকুলারলি কি হতে পারে? ইরিটেশন হতে পারে, রেডনেস, র্যাশ, ফিভার। ওকে, একদম বেসিক অ্যাডভার্স ইভেন্টস ফলোইং ইমিউনাইজেশন যেটা হয় বাচ্চাদের, the events that can occur in case of any vaccine, in case of any injectable vaccine. Okay, because you are giving intramuscularly, there is not a chance of abscess occurring there, but there can be irritation, rash, redness, okay, fever, etc. But what are some complications, serious complications that can occur in the child? Severe complication. And why does it occur? It occurs because of the component of pertussis. Okay, occurs because of the component of pertussis, especially if there is the whole cell pertussis. Whole cell pertussis যেটা ভ্যাকসিনের কম্পোনেন্টটা থাকে সেটার থেকে অ্যাডভার্স ইভেন্টস হয়। What are some adverse events? There can be anaphylaxis, okay, there can be encephalitis, there can be hypotonic hyporesponsive episodes, HHE, that is one serious adverse event, hypotonic hyporesponsive episodes. And আর কি হতে পারে? পারসিস্টেন্ট ইনকনসোলেবল ক্রাইং, বাচ্চা কেঁদেই যাচ্ছে, থামানো যাচ্ছে না, 3 ঘন্টার উপরে কেঁদে যাচ্ছে, 4 ঘন্টার উপরে কেঁদে যাচ্ছে, বাচ্চাকে থামানো যাচ্ছে না। আর বাচ্চা ওদিকে HHE মানে হাইপোটোনিক হয়ে পড়েছে, they are not responding. So these are some adverse events, serious adverse events that can occur in case of the administration of the pertussis vaccine. Now to mitigate that, nowadays the pertussis component that is there in the pentavalent is the acellular pertussis component. So the cell components that are causing those adverse reactions, those are removed, and the acellular pertussis, that is the antigen of pertussis, is given so that the adverse events are minimized. But still in some cases it can occur, some adverse reaction can occur. So this is the pentavalent vaccine given at কখন দেওয়া হয়, টাইম কখন দেওয়া হয়, 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks, pentavalent dose 1, pentavalent dose 2, pentavalent dose 3, and it is a killed vaccine, killed conjugate vaccine. আরো ভ্যাকসিন আছে যেগুলো দেওয়া হয় 16, 14 weeks আর কি দেওয়া হয়, rotavirus দেওয়া হয়, okay, that is an oral vaccine. Then there is the fractional IPV, but these are given at only 2 times, 6 weeks and 14 weeks, and with the fractional IPV given is PCV, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, that is there for 6 weeks and 14 weeks. Okay, so all these vaccines, these 5 vaccines are given at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks. Okay, now after 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks, আচ্ছা যেটা বলতে ভুলে গেছি এটা সম্বন্ধে, what is this? আইস প্যাক, ভেরি গুড। এটা কিন্তু অনেকেই স্পটের আইস বক্স লেখে, ঠিক আছে, অনেক কিছু লেখে, এটার নাম হচ্ছে আইস প্যাক, এটার আর কোনো নাম নেই, ঠিক আছে, there is no other name for it, this ice pack, 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 ice pack. Okay, now you can see there are 2 holes inside it. Okay, and within this you can open it and fill it with water. You fill it with water till the maximum mark here, the groove that is there, till that, because why? Because when you freeze it after filling the water, the water expands into ice, so it will fill till here, otherwise the box will crack. If you fill till the water jodi তুমি পুরো fill করো, the ice will crack. Okay, so you are using this where do you use the ice pack? Vaccine storage, very good, but storage where? Cold box, vaccine carrier, মানে যেখানে ইলেকট্রিসিটি নেই, এটা অলরেডি তুমি ডিপ ফ্রিজার, you are preparing this, means you are making this, putting water in it and then freezing it in the deep freezer, that is one component of cold chain. Deep freezer এটাকে prepare করছো where the temperature is -15 to -25. After this is frozen, you bring it out and then what you do, you put it in the cold box or the vaccine carrier, okay, which is non-electrified. You are carrying it, it is used mainly for transportation, the cold box and the vaccine carrier. And after that what happens is, for example, a nurse has come to the center to give vaccines carrying the vaccine carrier. Okay. What she will do, she will bring out the vaccines from the vaccine carrier and put an ice pack like this on the table. Now can she give the vaccines right away? Boslo, nurse সমস্ত ভ্যাকসিন ট্যাক্সিন নিয়ে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বাচ্চা আসলো তাতে দিয়ে দেবে? দেবে না. What do we have to wait for? To condition this ice pack. To condition this ice pack. What is conditioning? Means you are making this ice pack ready for use. Use how? Ba conditioning korchi keno? First of all, what is conditioning? Conditioning means you are bringing this back to 0 degree. 0 degree mane ki hoy? 0 degree is the temperature where ice and water exist at the same time. So at 0 degree, when you will see this condensation droplets on the body of this ice pack, and when you shake it, you will hear crackling sound. Means there is water forming inside. So you will hear crackling sound. The moment you are seeing the condensation droplets and the crackling sound, it means that this ice pack has been conditioned and ready for use. So you will keep it like this and wait for some time. Once those features are appearing, means now I can start vaccination. How? I will keep some vaccines inside these holes. I will keep some vaccines over the top of the ice pack. I will keep some vaccines away from the ice pack. Okay. Now which vaccines I will keep on the ice pack and which vaccines I will keep away from the ice pack depends on the vaccine. Okay. Some vaccines are heat sensitive, some vaccines are freeze sensitive. Now this pentavalent vaccine and other T series vaccine jake boli, mane hepatitis V, tetanus toxoid, tetanus diphtheria, all these vaccines, these are freeze sensitive vaccines. Means these cannot be kept in the touch of this ice pack. This has to be kept away from the ice pack. কাছে রাখবে কিন্তু ওটার সাথে টাচ করাবে না কি উপরে রাখবে না. Why? Because if it touches the ice, then it will get damaged. The vaccines will get damaged. So this is a freeze sensitive vaccine. The pentavalent vaccine is a freeze sensitive vaccine. Okay. So whenever even in the center, when you are storing the vaccines in a ice-lined refrigerator, they are usually kept at the top of the ice-lined refrigerator. Where the door is open from the above, এরম করে ডোরটা ওপেন করো, ঠিক আছে? এটা নর্মাল ফ্রিজের মতো না, আইসল্যান্ড রেফ্রিজারেটর। এরম করে নর্মালি ওপেন করবে, ওপর দিয়ে দ্য টপ লিড, ওপরে যে ভ্যাকসিনগুলো থাকে দ্যাট ইজ ফার্স্ট এক্সপোজ টু দ্য হিট। ওকে, সো সেখানে তোমার এগুলো রাখা হবে। অ্যান্ড দি আদার হিট সেন্সিটিভ ভ্যাকসিন যেগুলো হিটে খারাপ বেশি হয় সেগুলো নিচে থাকে। So this is there on the top so that it is not getting in touch with the ice that much, and it is kept in this upper part of the ILR. Okay. So that is why another thing to know about the pentavalent is it is kept away from the ice pack because it is a freeze sensitive vaccine. I'll see whether I can show you something or not. If there is an ILR like this, okay, ILR has a basket, has a top basket, and beneath there is a lower basket. There are two baskets in the ILR, ILR, ice lined refrigerator. Why? Because there is a lining of this ILR which is filled with ice. It electricity diye ice freeze kora hoy jolke. Now in the top basket the T series vaccine are kept, and in the bottom of the ILR the heat sensitive vaccines are kept. Now what are these heat sensitive vaccines? We will get into this. These heat sensitive vaccines are the vaccines which are live vaccines. Live vaccines are heat sensitive. So those are kept at the bottom of the ILR, and those are kept in this, on this ice pack after conditioning. Okay, nothing before conditioning. Conditioning এর আগে তুমি যদি 0 ডিগ্রির নিচে এটা টেম্পারেচার থাকে তার এগেইনস্টে যাই ভ্যাকসিন দেবে না কেন সেটাই খারাপ হয়ে যাবে। বাট আফটার ইট রিচেস 0 ডিগ্রি অ্যান্ড অ্যাবাভ ইউ ক্যান কিপ দি হিট সেন্সিটিভ ভ্যাকসিনস ইন টাচ অফ দিস আইস প্যাক। ওকে, বিকজ দ্যাট উইল বি নিডেড, আদারওয়াইজ হিট অফ ইন্ডিয়া তুমি জানো 30 ডিগ্রির ওপরে গেলেই যদি এটা আইস প্যাকের বাইরে থাকে যে কোনো হিট সেন্সিটিভ ভ্যাকসিন খারাপ হয়ে যাবে। দি লাইভ ভ্যাকসিনস উইল গেট destroyed while administering the vaccine, then there will be adverse effect when the vaccines which are heat sensitive are given to the children. Okay. Acha. So one of these heat sensitive vaccines and live vaccines is the measles rubella vaccine. The measles rubella vaccine. Now when is the measles rubella vaccine given? 6, 10, 14 হয়ে গেল। তাহলে measles rubella vaccine first dose কবে পড়ছে? At 9 months. After 14th week the child then comes for immunization at 9th month, 9 to 12 months এর মধ্যে। Then the first dose of this measles rubella vaccine is given. Okay, this is also conjugate vaccine, but this is a live vaccine. This vial looks a little bit different. This vial looks a little bit different, and you will also notice there is no VVM. I will show you, rotate it, you will not see any VVM. Okay? কেন নেই বলো? Guess করো? Any answers are welcome, বলো? amber color আছে, ওটা লেভেলের উপরেই VVM থাকতে পারতো, amber color থাক। amber colorটা কি জন্য আছে ভায়োলেট? Light sensitive. So apart from heat sensitive, this vaccine is also light sensitive. You will also see this amber colored vials in the BCG case also. BCG vaccine এর এরকম amber colored vial আছে, ঠিক আছে? That is also light sensitive. So this measles rubella vaccine is number 1 heat sensitive, number 2 light sensitive, and it has no VVM as I can see. Why? Because VVM was at the top of this cap. A cap e chilo VVM. ঠিক আছে? A cap e chilo VVM just to show the before opening vaccine টা valid আছে নাকি। But once this vaccine is opened, you have to use it within 4 hours. So এটাকে রেখে আর লাভ নেই, VVM এ তারপরে আর কোনো ফাংশন নেই। Okay? You have to use it within 4 hours. And number 1 point eta je you have to use it within 4 hours. It is not after opening the seal, you have to use it in this one sitting. একটা সেশনে যেই সেশনে তুমি নিয়ে যাচ্ছ এটা এখানে ইউজ করতে হবে, এটাকে রেখে দেওয়া যাবে না। আচ্ছা, তো সেকেন্ড থিং ইজ দিস measles rubella vaccine is coming in the freeze dried format, মানে এটা লিকুইড ফরম্যাটে আসে না, লিকুইডে আসে না, এটা ফ্রিজ ড্রাইড ভার্সনে আসে, যেখানে তোমাকে ডাইলিউয়েন্ট মেশাতে হবে। You have to give the diluent inside, okay, inject it inside this vial after opening, reconstitute it and then use it for the children. You have to reconstitute it and use it for the children. So what is the diluent used? কি লেখা আছে? Sterile water or distilled water. BCG এর মতো, BCG তে তুমি নরমাল স্যালাইন ইউজ করছিলে, এখানে you are using the sterile water or the distilled water. Okay, so this distilled water is then mixed inside যতটা amount বলে, amountটা is depends and varies according to the manufacturer of the certain vaccine. যে কোম্পানির ভ্যাকসিন যত ডাইলুয়েন্ট দিচ্ছে একটা প্যাকের মধ্যে সেটা মিশিয়ে তোমাকে দিতে হবে। So it varies from company to company. Now it is given first dose at 9 to 12 months. Okay, it is given 0.5 ml after reconstituting it with distilled water or sterile water, and then it is given subcutaneously in the right upper arm. It is given subcutaneously in the right upper arm. Left upper arm এ BCG ছিল, right upper arm এ MR, ঠিক আছে? আমি এটাও বলে দেবো কি করে মনে রাখতে হবে which is given on the left and which is given on the right, that I'll come later. So it is given subcutaneously. So usually the live vaccines are given subcutaneously, usually. Because, and you can now give it on the arm because the child is now 9 months of age, has grown a little, that deltoid muscle একটু mass হয়েছে, you can give on the arm now. When is the second dose given? When is the second dose given? Second dose given is 16 to 24 months, around 6 to 8 months after that. Second dose is given at 16 to 24 months, again at 0.5 ml with sterile water, subcutaneous and right upper arm. Now এখানে লেখা আছে maximum age it can be given is till 5 years of age. 5 বছরের পরে আর দেওয়া যাবে না মিজলস রুবেলা ভ্যাকসিন। ওকে, নাও this is a live vaccine coming in freeze dried format, you have to reconstitute it. এবারে তুমি যখন ভ্যাকসিন দিতে যাবে, কি একজন এএনএম যখন ভ্যাকসিন দিতে গেছে, this is the ice pack condition kept on the table. Pentavalent, you are keeping it away from this ice pack because it is freeze sensitive. Where will you keep this? Inside one of these holes. Okay, these two you can see it is for two vaccines, BCG and the measles rubella. Why inside? Because it is also light sensitive, so you are keeping it inside to protect it as much as possible from the light. Okay, and other heat sensitive vaccines you are keeping on top or beside, just beside, touching. Okay, অন্যান্য হিট সেন্সিটিভ ভ্যাকসিন যেগুলো লাইট সেন্সিটিভ নয় সেগুলো তুমি একটা টাচে রাখতে পারো, বাট দি মিজলস অ্যান্ড দ্য রুবেলা আর গোয়িং ইনসাইড দিস হোলস. সো দিস ইজ দি measles rubella vaccine that is given at first 9 months and then from 16 to 24 months. It is given subcutaneously. Now, apart from the measles rubella vaccine, what else are given? The Japanese encephalitis vaccines are given at 9 months, first dose, and then again from 16 to 24 months, second dose. Then there is the 9 months, there is the PCV booster, and at 16 to 24 months there is the OPV booster and the what? DPT booster 1. DPT booster and the OPV booster. Now, and again at 9 months there is a first dose of vitamin A. Okay, so this NIS you have to know very well. NIS কবে কোন ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হয়, কি কত ডোজে দেওয়া হয়, কোন জায়গায় দেওয়া হয়, কোন সাইডে দেওয়া হয়, এগুলো সব মনে রাখতে হবে. You have to remember this mnemonic to remember which side is given. MIT is right. What is M? Measles rubella. I for IPV and T for tetanus, diphtheria, this vaccine. These three vaccines are given on the right side. All else vaccine are on the left side. Okay. This is a mnemonic that MIT is right. That is MR, IPV and TD vaccine are given on the right sides. The rest vaccines are given on the left side. ঠিক আছে? So, now that is the measles rubella vaccine. Now, what are the side effects of this measles rubella vaccine? What are the side effects of the measles rubella vaccine? Side effects of measles rubella vaccine, হ্যাঁ বলো? Fever, good. Rash, pain আর এখানে subcutaneously দেওয়া হচ্ছে, তো there is chance of abscess. Okay. আর কোনো কোনো ক্ষেত্রে encephalitis হতে পারে, but not that much common. Okay. So, anaphylaxis, fever, rash, abscess, these are the main side effects. Now, this measles rubella vaccine, দুটো question, there are 2-3 questions that come regarding that is the measles. What does measles cause in children? Measles disease actually কি cause করে children এর মধ্যে? Manifestation কি? What are the signs and symptoms of measles? Generalized একটা fever with rash হয়, আর there can be pneumonia, there can be diarrhea, there can be আর কি হতে পারে, যেখানে epithelial cells আছে সেগুলো regenerationটাকে কমিয়ে দেয়. The regeneration of the epithelial cells are decreased due to this measles virus. Okay. There is a rare side effect called subacute sclerosing encephalitis. Subacute sclerosis encephalopathy, sorry, SSE. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis. So, this SSPE is there. That is a very rare side effect of measles in children, in small children. So, that is why this measles vaccine is very important to give. Another vaccine that is given in respect of given to children is the congenital rubella syndrome. If mother has rubella during pregnancy, then the child can have the congenital rubella syndrome, CRS. Congenital rubella syndrome, 3 C's, that is cataract, conductive deafness and cardiac problems, তাছাড়াও mental health problems, mental retardation এগুলো হতে পারে. So all these are problems if the mother is contracting rubella during pregnancy. Rubella is a disease that can occur in pregnancy. তার জন্য বাচ্চার congenital rubella syndrome হতে পারে. In that case, this MR vaccine is very important to stop the spread of this congenital rubella syndrome in the mother. Okay, and after this measles rubella, this is a live vaccine, as you know. So the difference between this pentavalent vaccine that we learned before and the measles rubella vaccine later is another thing, that this pentavalent vaccine can be kept after the vaccine session, but MR vaccine cannot be kept after 4 hours of opening. এই যে difference টা, this is because of a regulation or a policy that is there in the universal immunization program. This policy is called the open vial policy. Open vial policy. এটা just নামটা লিখে রাখো, the details are in the book, I'll just tell you the gist of it. The open vial policy, basically what happens is, it tells you that some vaccines can be kept even after opening, like this pentavalent vaccine, okay, then there is the IPV vaccine and many others. The only vaccines that cannot be used after opening and that has to be used within 4 hours of opening are the reconstitution vaccines, that is BCG, MR, JE and sometimes rotavirus. Rotavirus nowadays it is a new type of vaccine is there, so that is single use, so there is no question of keeping it. But before, when it used to be coming in vials, the rotavirus, that also did not used to come under open vial policy. So the 4 vaccines which do not come under open vial policy is MR, BCG, then rotavirus and JE, the Japanese encephalitis. So these are kind of all live vaccines. That is why these 4 vaccines cannot be kept. Otherwise, the rest of the vaccines can be kept after use for the first time till the vaccine has not expired, or till the VVM has not expired, okay, or till the vaccine has been kept regulated in the cold chain, that is not submerged under water. Jodi ice gole joler moddhe tomar rubber seal ta dhuke jay, then that is no longer usable, that vaccine, okay. And many other aseptic conditions that is used, that is not contaminated with outside pathogens or any material. So যতটা তুমি cold chain এর মধ্যে রাখতে পারবে without any contamination, then the rest of the vaccines can be used again, and those vaccines can be used until it is expired. But the MR vaccine, the BCG vaccine, the JE vaccine and the rotavirus vaccines, these cannot be used once it is opened. So this policy is called the open vial policy. So this is another difference between the pentavalent and the measles rubella. Open করলে reconstitute করলে তোমার 4 hours এর মধ্যে ইউজ করতে হবে. Another thing I'll see whether it is there, এই যে heat sensitive or freeze sensitive যেটা বলা হচ্ছে বারবার. So you can see heat sensitivity, most sensitive to heat, okay, that is should be kept at the bottom of the ILR is the BCG and after reconstitution, not before. After reconstitution, the BCG, the measles vaccine, these become very heat sensitive. So it should be kept at the bottom of the ILR or in the hose of the ice pack, okay. Then there is the OPV, rotavirus, IPV, JE. These vaccines are there which are very heat sensitive. But what are then freeze sensitive যেগুলো ওপরে থাকে ILR এর, that is the T series vaccine, that is the TD, DPT, then there is the pentavalent, apart hepatitis B. Apart from that, there is also the sometimes IPV and PCV. IPV টা মাঝামাঝি থাকে, okay, IPV টা মাঝামাঝি থাকে. So this is the diagram of how, a diagram টা সব internet available. This is the diagram of how the vaccines are kept in the ILR. This is what an ILR looks like. The top is, the lid is at the top, you open it from the top, and beneath it there is the basket, the lower basket and the upper basket. In the lower basket there is the measles, BCG, okay, JE, OPV are there, and above in the above basket there is a T series vaccine, and at the very top there are the diluents, and between them sometimes there are ice packs kept. Okay, তো এইগুলো হচ্ছে তোমার আইলার এর মধ্যে এভাবে থাকে vaccines. So this keeping this cold chain is very important. Final thing that is there is this vitamin A. Okay, just do not take it out of this packet because vitamin A leaks a lot. এটাকে রাখা যায় না বেশি দিন। Vitamin A. Now how is this vitamin A taken? Vitamin A first of all তুমি কোনো দোকানে পাবে না, not in a pharmacy, you will not get in a pharmacy. It cannot be bought. It is only available in the government supply. Vitamin A syrup. Vitamin A syrup first dose is given at 9 months. Second dose is given at 16 to 24 months, and then every 6 months after that you give the vaccine till the child reaches 5 years of age. So total 9 doses of this vitamin A are given. প্রথমে 9 months hai, তারপর 16 to 24 months hai, then every 6 months till the child reaches 5 years of age. So total 9 doses are given. In the first, it is 9 months, 1 ml vaccine, 1 ml this vitamin A is given, and after that from the second dose till the 9th dose 2 ml of the vitamin A syrup is given. That is given with a special spoon where there are groove markings, that is marking 1 ml or marking 2 ml. তো ওই স্পুন দিয়ে খাওয়ানো হয় বাচ্চাদের, so that field day you can easily measure and feed it to the child. Now 1 ml means 1 lakh international units, 2 ml means 2 lakh international units. Okay, now why am I giving this vitamin A syrup which is not a vaccine in the NIS? আমি এটা কেন দিচ্ছি ভিটামিন এ? ভিটামিন এ এসবের মধ্যে রাখা হয় না, ভিটামিন এ আলাদা রাখা হয় নর্মাল কন্টেনারে, ঠিক আছে? Why is vitamin A given under NIS? চিলড্রেনের মধ্যে যেটা ভিটামিন এ রিলেটেড ডেফিসিয়েন্সি আছে, বাট ভিটামিন ইজ অলসো অ্যাভেলেবল ইন ফুড অ্যাজ উই হ্যাভ লার্ন, রাইট? লাইক ইন ভেরি ফ্যাটি ফুড, ওকে, ঘিতে, বাটারে, মিল্কে, তারপরে তোমার অ্যানিমাল ফুডে, মিটে, ফিশে পাওয়া যায়, ভেজিটেবলসে পাওয়া যায়, মানে আদার ভেজিটেবলস, গ্রিন লিফি ভেজিটেবলস, ফ্রুটস, সব কিছুতেই ভিটামিন এ আছে। সো ভিটামিন এ ডেফিসিয়েন্সিটা কখন হতে পারে চিলড্রেনদের? মানে why are children more prone to vitamin A deficiency? বাচ্চাদের, অনেক বাচ্চাদের ভালোই ডায়েটারি ইনটেক, বাচ্চাদের আর কত ডায়েটারি ইনটেক? ম্যালনিউট্রিশনের একটা বড় কারণ কি? ইনফেকশন না? Which infection leads to vitamin A deficiency? Which common childhood ailment leads to vitamin A deficiency? Measles. Measles lead to vitamin A deficiency. Okay, it depletes the reserve of vitamin A in the body. It hampers the function of vitamin A. So what happens is body normally যেটা ভিটামিনের ফাংশন তোমার এপিথেলিয়াল ফাংশনটাকে বাড়ানো আর এপিথেলিয়াল রিজেনারেশন, ভিটামিন এর ওই ফাংশনটাকে একদম রিডিউস করে দেয় মিজলস ডিজিজ, and measles is very prevalent in children in India. So that is why vitamin A is there as a supplement for all children in case they contract measles before they get the vaccine. With vitamin A, okay, with vitamin A they can have the reserves, okay, যাতে তাদের বডির মধ্যে ওই সাইড এফেক্টস গুলো বা ওই নিউমোনিয়া, ডায়রিয়া, অ্যাডভার্স সাংঘাতিক ইভেন্ট, সিভিয়ার ইভেন্টস গুলো যাতে না হয়। ভিটামিন এ রিজার্ভ ইজ অলসো গিভেন টু দি চাইল্ড। নাও ভিটামিন এ তোমার যেটা বললে নাইট ব্লাইন্ডনেস করতে পারে অ্যান্ড আদার কর্নিয়াল জেরোসিস, ঠিক আছে, জেরোফথ্যালমিয়া, যা যা জেরোফথ্যালমিয়া যা যা ম্যানিফেস্টেশন আছে, অকুলার ম্যানিফেস্টেশন হলো, আর extraocular manifestations আছে, okay. So all these are prevented by the vitamin A syrup from the 9 months till 5 years, every 6 months করে দেওয়া হয়। Have you all seen a cold box or a vaccine carrier before? কোল্ড বক্স একটা বড় বক্স, এত বড় বক্স যেখানে এত আইস প্যাকস গুলো এভাবে সাজানো থাকে, and vaccine carrier are small things যার মধ্যে চারদিকে তোমার ice packs থাকে so that the cold environment is maintained, but no vaccine is touching these ice packs, okay. A vaccine is kept inside in a packet, তার মধ্যে এটা লেয়ার করে রাখা হয় যাতে direct contact with ice pack এ না থাকে, otherwise the vaccines will get damaged. Final thing আমি তোমাদের দেখাচ্ছি, এই যে এটা বুকলেটটা আছে, do you know what is this? mother and child protection, হ্যাঁ mother and child protection card বলে MCPC, mother and child protection card. It is given to the mother when she is pregnant. During the registration of pregnancy only this card is given. Okay. Inside you can see there are IC materials, how to maintain, how to follow the instructions during pregnancy, IFA খেতে হবে, calcium খেতে হবে, কি করে বাচ্চাকে সামলাতে হবে, everything is there. And then there is also instructions about family planning, etc. Okay. But why am I showing you this today is because there is the provision of maintaining the records. Okay, record from the birth, যে মায়ের কত কত ভ্যাকসিন কবে কবে পাওয়া গেছে, what is the date of getting the vaccination, and also the vaccination card is within this. Okay, the vaccination card is within this, the IC material inside, and the vaccination cards are like this. Okay, the vaccines are mentioned, there is also growth chart inside. The vaccines are mentioned like this, BCG পেয়েছে কিনা during birth, then at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks, then 9 months, and these slashes or these gaps are the place to write dates, যে কোন ডেট আগে থেকে লিখে দেয় যে এই ডেটে আসবে, এসে ভ্যাকসিনটা নেবে, and whether the child has received those vaccines or not. There is the OPV, there is the Rota, there is the Penta, and everything is mentioned till the child reaches the age of 5 years. So this is also there in the mother and child protection card, which is there in the case of every mother and child that is there in the field. তোমরা যখন ফ্যামিলি নেবে তখন দেখতে পাবে যে যদি চাইল্ড থাকে ফ্যামিলিতে, there is always this card provided by the government health center. Okay, and there the record of these vaccines are kept. So by this one thing you can know whether which vaccines the child and the mother have received.